Today we have a game here with the Ronnie of Dubai, Faraz Khan. Faraz Khan, what would you like to play? The pool or snooker?
Snooker. If it's free.
Okay.
Free means
It is free.
table is free.
It is free. Nice ambience of the club. The pool is going to be ready now. Faraz Khan is leading by 6 runs and he's going to attempt pink, and he is leading with 30 runs now, and I'm getting out of the game. And he just very good shot. Nice shot. Faraz is leading with 18 points. I made another fall, and that's why his score is 18 now. Now Faraz has 6 points, and he made a foul of blue, and now he has only 1 point. It's a foul. Now I am leading with 3 numbers, and Faraz is going to attempt green, which is the 3 number. Let's see if he can pot. Oh no. And he gave me a foul. Nice shot. Now I am leading by 13 runs, and 22 numbers are on the board. He missed it again, and I think I'm gonna pot it now. Now black is the decisive ball here, and if the one who will pot the black will win the game. He played quite safe. He again got the chance. Let's see who wins. He missed again. And he If the white ball comes back little, I'm gonna win. I'm the winner.